Guru grammar class begins. Last class I have taken active and passive in the present simple tense. Now I take present continuous. Tense form of passive voice of present simple is am or is or are plus being plus V3. You learn very well about the formula of present continuous tense form of passive voice is am, is, are plus being plus V3. You know that the tense form of tense only, not a passive voice, that is am, that is am or is or are plus verb plus ing, that is active voice. And the passive voice is am, is, are plus being plus V3. If you know both this formula, you can convert active voice into passive voice into active voice. Here there is a statement, I am drawing pictures, active voice. Here you divide subject, verb and object. I subject, am drawing verb, pictures object, that is active voice. Then convert the active voice into passive voice, that is object here pictures. Then the formula of passive voice, if the subject of the passive voice is plural, we have to add or here. Then the formula is being plus V3. So pictures are being drawn by me, that is passive voice. Most of the questions in the Public Service Commission ask active voice. You convert active voice into passive voice. Here Kerala Public Service Commission question CDVI professional officers 2014, the asked question is, do the hounds kill the boxer? That is passive voice. It is interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence we have to convert into passive voice. That is, don't change the form of interrogative. In the interrogative, the be form verb do is here given. And don't change the pattern, sentence pattern of the interrogative sentence. So, here this is present simple. Do plus hounds, that is present simple. Do plus kill, that is present simple. So here present simple you have to use instead of do, that the formula is present simple formula is V1. Here the fox is singular, hence we have to give is here, is the fox. Then V3 killed here. Then use agent by, the hounds is the object. So is the fox killed by the hounds? Don't change the sentence interrogative form. You have to give interrogative form in the passive voice also. Then here another question, letters are being written by him. It is present continuous. You into active voice, change this into active voice. Him, here he, then this is present continuous, so we have to use is near h, near he, and verb plus ing. Here writing That is, in the passive voice form, we gave V3. You have to convert it into V1 plus ing. So he is writing letters. It is active voice. These are some of the questions asked in the Public Service Commission in various tests. And I have given the period in which it was asked. Then present perfect tense. In the present tense, passive voice, tense form of passive voice is has or have plus been plus V3. Here have and has is here. He has, she has, it has, I have, we have, you have, they have. You use likewise. Then the asked question in the Kerala Public Service Commission question, Women Police, NCA Police 2018 Public Service Commission question. Here, passive voice is given. You have to write the passive voice. He has drawn two pictures. Is two pictures have been drawn. Here, this is present perfect tense. You change into here two pictures. Here, that is object. Here comes as a subject. Then, in the passive voice of the formula is have or has, two pictures. Plural, hence we have to use have here, then been plus V3 by him. That is passive voice. Then another question is, the thief has been arrested by them. Here, by them became the subject, so that is object possession. The subject possession of them is they. Then have arrested. You have to write present perfect tense from the passive voice. So they have arrested the thief. That is the answer. You bear in mind all these things and you practice it well, and then I have completed the present tense. Present perfect continuous has no passive voice. Then I have to take a past simple. I shall take in the next class. Thank you.